Welcome to JH. Let's examine the clothing brand Vescartes. Initially, the website appears quite professional, showcasing a variety of fashionable vintage-style tees, modern hoodies, and attractive denim jackets. The overall presentation is quite impressive, featuring high-quality photography and various time-sensitive discounts. It draws you in by offering boutique-level streetwear at remarkably low costs. However, this seems too good to be true, and unfortunately, that is the case. Upon closer inspection, the operation becomes questionable. Most items appear to be sourced directly from inexpensive Chinese dropshipping platforms. Hoodies that likely cost $5 to produce are being sold for $40 or more. The quality is disappointing. Many customers report that the physical items do not match the online images and feel like low-grade, mass-produced goods. Regarding customer service, it is virtually non-existent. There is no contact number, official business name, or physical address provided. Only a basic email address is available, which often leads to no response. Those who do get a reply find them to be vague and unhelpful. One customer reported losing over €100 due to an absurd return policy where they were instructed to destroy the item by cutting it in half to qualify for a refund. Feedback on Trustpilot is overwhelmingly negative, consisting mainly of one-star ratings. Common issues include poor stitching, incorrect sizing, and a total lack of support. Ultimately, the site feels unreliable. It appears to be either a scam or a low-quality dropshipping venture focused on profit rather than customer satisfaction. To protect your finances and peace of mind, it is best to avoid Vescartes and choose more reputable brands that prioritize quality.